Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and this is my first time doing a reaction video. This is my first time doing a reaction video, and this is on the music video recently uploaded music video called Ngan Thom by Ngan, produced by D. Brian along with James Carson Teo. So this song is in Khasi. So a little bit about the artist here and the project, the music video project. So this is a project by D. Brian Records where they have come up with this initiative called Support Local Artists, where they would sponsor upcoming and underprivileged local artists from Meghalaya, and come up with a music production, a free music production for them. Okay, kani video bro khat kande ha ktien khasimo maapinga kani bro khat ka video kande ha ktien phareng mo nam benta jong tu ki bam su thu ka ktien khasi te pet hadu ko bakut mga kani di kasin bni ko mga ngande ya reaction video te page du bakut kat ba phila ma su thu ai ngan batai hakak tien phareng khna biki wer kin su thu iki ya yakini ki yakani ka jing ruai ko new parlok parao jongi udang su dep ruai hakani ka music video mo to. This guy, he is still studying in class 12. He has been singing since 2018. He is well known for his rap song called Nyang Kalau or Cockroach. Okay, so this ingenious song went viral, and he started his singing career from there. But interestingly, Venan and his friend Matuk have been making music and music videos using only a mobile phone. And these guys, till today, they have a YouTube channel called Venan. On his personal YouTube channel, they've been uploading videos after videos being done only from a mobile phone. All the edits, all the recording, everything was done on a mobile phone. And this is his first time to be featured, to be part of this big project. And he is the main artist here. I just heard that he is doing this in Khasi, so I will help you understand a little bit about what he is saying in the lyrics. Actually, this is my first time vlogging in English, so English is not my first language, so so here we are. This is the Brian Records, and this is the song Ngan Thom, 53k views one day ago. So I'm doing this on the 31st of December 2020. We have 53k views already one day ago. Let's go to this. Oh, okay, first things first, the kind I don't know about you guys, but this intro, the bird's eye perspective intro, I mean, firstly, I have never come across a music video from this part of the country, starting with this. It kind of showed that out of the box kind of feeling, that that bird's eye view perspective of things, and that you can see far. It's kind of interesting. Okay, now let's go ahead. Oh, okay. Oh, all right. Okay, let's just go forward. Okay, so this song is called Ngan Thom. Ngan Thom means to push forward, to march ahead, even though there are challenges and all that, hurdles and everything, but I will still hustle, Ngan Thom. So produced by D. Brian, Venan, and James Carson Teo is another artist who was featured in the first music video, first part of the project Support Local Artists. So he is one of the artists who was featured in the music video, in the previous music video. Okay, and Venom is our man here. So we have the Cafe Racers of Shillong. I think these are also part of the sponsorship thing. Okay. Okay, so directed by Bashan El Maunai, a film by Abike Indigenous Films. Director of photography is Elvis Thaba, and VFX by First 10. So these are all local artists from here. And okay, let's go do this thing again. Oh, okay. In the beginning, this guy met with an accident. I mean, in this video, this guy met with an accident, but he stood back up. He stood back up with that feeling of, okay, man, done. Let's just go. So he met with an accident, but that doesn't bother him. He got back up and met an accident. Big deal. Like that. Nice. This is our dude. I mean, he stays near my place, so I know this guy. I've been to his place, and I know the kind of struggles that they are in. Man, he's just a student. Nice. Okay. Okay, so what he's saying is he's offering the people, the viewers, everyone there out there a tasty meat that if you swallow, it won't stuck to your throat, but it will go in, which means good stuff. And he is ready for challenge. He's ready for those for the hurdles and challenges and difficulties and whatnot. But he is ready to take them. Just like bring it on, bro. So and he is ready to I mean, he is filled with hope and confidence to move ahead. And he said that he doesn't come from that background, from a well-to-do background, and yeah, that's pretty much him. So let's go again. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so this guy is James Carcentier. So this guy is James Carcentier, who he was featured in the previous music video with the Brand Records. So this is James Carcentier. Okay, so the chorus here says that yeah, the skill that we have, even if people are not starting, you should be the one starting it, and let's push forward with passion, and that's how that we can grow, that we can progress. Okay, so guys, all the Kasi guys who can understand Kasi, help me out in the comment section if I missed something. Okay, sirap lang mo lipi ngatip nga kam hurihura ka parang kanyat isabo lang po comment section banira pan batay lang ka lyrics mo. Pajudan studio penangkam tangki stereo software sing bat luku ngasupan bang tangkentin bat kowe ka dei ka flow enring ngam ko ban kelodang pun yang aki ba pro ngaya jentila Okay, in the second verse, he is expressing, narrating his story about his struggles and how he used to record his music through his phone, and also making music video with his phone. And he said that he's not a pro. Others are even that there are also others better than him, but he is actually paving his own path. He doesn't come from the so-called, he doesn't come from the London folks. Yeah. I hope that I interpreted that correctly, dude. Okay, to kabiang hai te kimya shahmat. Okay, where's it? Okay. Where's this place? I really like it. I'm from Shillong, but I've never been to this place, but I like it. Nice. Oh, okay. That's nice shades. Ooh, okay. Okay, so what he's saying is that not everyone can stay up there, can be ahead of the game at all times. He said that let me be third, it's okay, because we are filled with shortcomings and all that, but let's just go forward, let's just move ahead. He is a lyricist, and he is he will bombard us with lyrics, yeah, pretty much. Okay, but I like his philosophy, the way that he is. He doesn't want to be that top of the game kind of guy. I'm not trying to demolish this guy because he stays near my place, but the kind of philosophy that he has. If you look at his videos on his YouTube channel, you will see the kind of lyrics, the kind of things that he says. Dude, his take to life, his take to struggles, his take to things. The way that he narrate his story, his everything that he has to say is pretty amazing. Yeah. Let's go again. Where is it? Okay, so here we are. Okay. Oh. Shades, man. I like the shades, dude. Oh, nice. I like this guy's shades, yeah. Hey, I know this guy. So this is DJ Brian. I met this guy the other day. There is also an exclusive interview. Okay, I'll talk about that later. John. This is John. Nice. I want to watch that again. Okay, before I do that, okay, so these guys, there is an exclusive interview with these guys. See, this is not the first time that they've come up with such an initiative to help local artists, to help startup individuals here in the state. They've been doing this for quite some time, and this is one of the other initiative that they've started recently. Show some love, guys, and support these people. Support Venom. He has a YouTube channel. Debrand Records, James Carsenteo, and everyone in the team. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. I think I made quite a few mistakes with this first reaction video, but please support, guys. Show me some love. Dia kuli sibun piap tek ketika reaction video ni kong gedonga te ngatip kibun kijing baklah tenre ngatrai tapi ang himo kasi kino biang pat piap pak video. Thank you, guys, much love. Oh yes, support local artists. Thanks.